Hello students, so far we have considered a simple splitting patterns in H1 NMR spectroscopy. Today in this lecture we are going to consider more complex splitting pattern in H1 NMR spectroscopy. So far we have considered doublet of doublet and doublet of doublet of doublet. So friends, although these are doublet of doublet, it is mandatory or it is customary to show the largest splitting first. That means the 5.5 Hz is the largest splitting in this pattern. So whatever this 5.5 Hz shows, we need to consider it first. In this example, it is a doublet. After that, this 2.6 Hz is showing again doublet. So this splitting pattern will become the doublet of doublet. That means the first D is of JAB and the second D is for JAC. Similarly, we are considering the largest coupling constant first in case of doublet of doublet of doublet, and we are goes on decreasing to JAC up to 5.9 Hz. So we have doublet of doublet according to the coupling constant. So whatever the coupling constant shows in the largest splitting is considered first. So let's consider some more examples. So what will be the splitting pattern of protons in the following example? This is the example of crotonic acid, and in this we have A, B and C, three different types of protons. So considering the coupling constant J trans, that is JBC, is the largest in this example. So we need to always consider the splitting of this largest coupling constant. Now we have JAB, which is a vicinal coupling, and it is 6 Hz, whereas JAC, which is allelic coupling, and is 1.5 Hz. So let's consider the splitting pattern of this CH3, which is labeled as A. So A will be showing doublet vicinal with HB and allelic with SC. So the largest is 6 Hz and smallest is 1.5 Hz. So splitting of this CH3 or proton A will be doublet of doublet, because it is showing doublet with vicinal coupling, and again it is showing the doublet with the allelic coupling. So this first D is for the vicinal and the second D is for the allelic coupling. Now tell me what will be the splitting pattern of HB. You can see that HB is splitting with SC as a doublet and HB also splitting with HA as a quartet. Considering the coupling constant, BC is the largest coupling constant, so we need to consider that this is a doublet of quartet. That means the splitting pattern of HB will be doublet of quartet, because the J or coupling constant of this BC is largest than the vicinal. That means JBC is 16 Hz and JAB is 6 Hz. So we are considering the largest coupling constant first. So the splitting pattern of HB will be the doublet of quartet. It will be the doublet of quartet. Now HC. SC is splitting with HB and HA. Again the coupling constant BC is the largest one than the allelic one. So the splitting pattern for HC also be the doublet of quartet. Doublet in case of BC coupling and then quartet in case of AC coupling. Understood? Now let's consider more examples, or let's see more examples. Now you can see this is the example in which we have A, B and C. These three different protons are there, and we are considering the splitting of this HB. Now HB is splitting with CH3 in the form of quartet, and HB also splitting with the HA in the form of doublet. So whether it is a doublet of quartet or quartet of doublet, that is the question. So as you all know that this is a 3-bond coupling, that is a vicinal coupling, which is 6 Hz, and the 4-bond coupling, that is homoallelic coupling, which is 1.2 Hz. That means we need to consider the largest splitting first. That means JBC. That means it is a quartet of doublet. Understood? This is a quartet of doublet. HB will show the quartet of doublet splitting pattern, because we are considering the largest splitting first or largest coupling constant first and smallest afterward. Let's see few more examples. Now in this example, again we have A, B and C. These three protons, they are distinct from the chemical shift and coupling constant, so they will show the second order splitting. Now BC is a vicinal coupling, is a 6 Hz, and again HB with this another CH3. Okay, in the first example there was H over here. In this example it is CH3 over here. That means for the HB there are two CH3. Here one with the vicinal coupling and another one with the homoallylic coupling. Okay, this is a homoallylic coupling with this CH3. So as we know, vicinal coupling is largest coupling in this example and homoallylic coupling is smallest one. So this will again quartet of quartet, but first Q will for the vicinal coupling and second Q will be for the homoallylic coupling. This will be the quartet of quartet, vicinal and homoallylic. So this is how we are going to name the patterns. Okay, this is how we are going to consider the patterns. Let's see few more example. This is a very interesting example and have more complex splitting in this. We have A, B, C and D. There are 4 protons which are distinct in chemical shift as well as in coupling constant. So if we consider the A is coupling with HB, SC and SD. So JAB is 6 Hz, JAD and JAC is 1.5 Hz and 1.5 Hz. So when there are same coupling constant, we can consider any one of them, because it is a customary, it is not a rule, it is a customary that we consider the largest coupling constant first. So don't be so hard with the values. Okay, so A will split with the HB, SC and SD. Of course it will be doublet of doublet of doublet, but first D will be the splitting, vicinal coupling splitting. Okay, now let's go for another proton, HB. Now HB is very interestingly situated in this example, because it is splitting with SC and SD in the form of doublets, and also it is splitting this CH2 in the form of triplet. So it will show the triplet of doublet or doublet of triplet of doublet. Okay, now HB, the largest coupling constant, of course the trans coupling HD, so we need to consider doublet first, after that cis coupling, again doublet, and after that vicinal coupling, that is a 6 Hz. So the pattern for HB will be doublet of triplet. Okay, pattern for the HB will be doublet of triplet, because first doublet is a trans coupling, second doublet is cis coupling which is 12 Hz, and the vicinal coupling is 6 Hz. So we are considering the largest splitting first. So the pattern for the HB will be doublet of triplet. Okay, now again SC, it will be doublet of triplet, and finally the HD will also same, showing the doublet of triplet. So okay, so these are examples from Introduction to Spectroscopy by Pavia, and also I got a nice link from the internet. So I have this link, I will send it to you, and if you have any problem, please feel free to ask me. Thank you.